What's up, guys? We're back. Well, so you. Hey, what are we doing? Yeah. I got a little cold in here. Ew. I got a little cold in here. Ew.
Fuck this shit, I'm out.
Ew, stop.
2 hours later.
Sorry, I have a chicken in there. So my dad, we're gonna go get some guacamole. Got llamas for him. But first we're gonna do a new exciting video because I know you guys may know that. Ew, why don't I know how to talk? My dad's looking at us right now. That I haven't had, well, Chris either. We haven't had chicken in like 3 months. Well, any meat, but like, actually, yeah, we haven't. So we're trying it for the first time tonight because my mom made some delicious chicken tacos. And how do I know they're delicious? Because I had them 3 months ago, and I know they're gonna be delicious. Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, I mean, I'm pretty sure our reaction won't be that great because like, it was just 3 months, but actually it might be great because it was 3 months without chicken, and who doesn't love chicken? I love chicken.
Chicken legs, chicken breast,
Chicken everything.
Chicken boobs.
What the fuck?
Okay, let's be honest. Yeah.
Hey.
Well, anyways, let's go buy the kawama. Tacos. You excited to eat some chicken? Chicken? Ew. Alright, so first you put some lettuce.
Get down from there.
What the fuck?
I mean,
Some cebolla.
cilantro.
Cilantro.
Has been a while, so I don't even know the names of the sesames.
Yeah.
I mean, then it's some onions.
No, I hate onions, so no.
Onions are but it makes it gives it a nice taste.
Delilah, what are you doing?
Delilah, show your pirate eye. Ooh. All right, so now it's time for
You're
some.
fine. You're everything. I'm not.
Yeah, true.
Thank
Y un limoncito deliciosito, sabrosito.
Sí, huesito.
Me cagaste, güey.
Ayúdala.
Y una salsita picosita. Delilah, what are you doing?
Salchichita.
Oh my god. These tacos look good. They look bomb. They look bomb.
Am I right?
How does this look?
They look hot.
But mine look good.
Yours look ratchet.
Vamos a comer para unos taquitos bonitos.
Unos taquitos bonitos como tú, pa.
Well, let's eat because. Alright. The first bite of chicken after 3 months. 3 months. Hey. Hey. I was joking. I did miss my chicken. That shit was delicious.
To infinity and beyond.
You're too short. Your back is too low.
like 20 minutes and I was dying.
Nice.
Ew, have you friends?
Whoa. My camera getting a little foggy over here. Go. Okay, Nati.
Why not? How's the game?
Good.
Okay.
Good.
Not good.
Huh?
¿Qué más?
What do you think about the game?
Okay, so in the first half,
Yeah.
at the start was really intense. Like
Boring.
Fuck this shit, I'm out.
Hey, complain. So how's the game,
how's the
man?
game?
Well, to be honest, all these girls were ass. They kept pushing